In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom homepage in WordPress. Creating a personalized homepage can make your website stand out by giving it a unique look and feel. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth experience from start to finish. First, open up your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in right at the top. Click on it to proceed. If you already have an account, you can link it directly by clicking on Continue with Google. This will make logging in seamless without the need to remember another username or password. Select your Google account from the list. If you don't see your account, you may click Use another account and log in accordingly. After successfully logging in, you should be on your WordPress dashboard. Over on the right hand panel, look for the Quick Link section. Here you'll find an option titled Edit Site. Give it a click. This will take you to the site editor where all the magic happens. You'll see a lot of options, but for now just focus on finding and clicking on your website's title, which should be displayed prominently. This helps navigate deeper into the editing process specific to your site. Once you're in the site management section, focus on the options available on the screen. You need to look for the navigation link. Clicking on it opens up various customizable options for your site's menu. Don't be intimidated by all the links and settings, we'll tackle them one at a time. At the top right you'll see 3 dots. Click them to open a drop down menu and select Edit. This is crucial for customizing which links and buttons appear on your new homepage. A new panel appears on the left hand side of the screen, but for now focus on the menu on the right panel. You'll see a plus icon. Click this to add new components to your navigation setup. Choose Browse All to see a wide array of blocks you can incorporate. Whether you want to add a new page, a hyperlink, or even a button, you'll find all those options available. These blocks are like building pieces for your website, allowing you to tailor the user experience to your liking. After you've added all the components you want, ensure everything is in place and visually appealing. It's time to save your hard work, so head over to the top right corner and click on the Save button. This finalizes the changes and updates your custom homepage for your audience to see. And there you have it, you've successfully created a bespoke homepage on WordPress in just a few minutes. Crafting a unique entry for your website is a fantastic way to showcase your brand and engage visitors. As always, feel free to explore more of WordPress's features to continue enhancing your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.